Have you ever wondered what secrets might be hiding behind a closed door? Well, what if that door hadn't been opened for 40 years? Today, we're diving into a truly incredible story about a garage in Portugal that held a treasure trove beyond anyone's wildest imagination. It all started with an abandoned property. A man from New York purchased a secluded house in Portugal, sight unseen. The property had been sitting vacant for decades, and its last owner had passed away, leaving no heirs. When the new owner finally arrived to inspect his purchase, he found a large metal garage door, rusted and sealed shut. The neighbors whispered stories, but no one really knew what was inside. They just knew it hadn't been opened since before they could remember. With a lot of effort and some heavy-duty tools, the new owner and a few helpers managed to pry open the massive door. The screech of metal echoed, and as dust and stale air billowed out, they were met with an unbelievable sight. This wasn't just a dusty old garage. It was a time capsule, a private museum packed wall to wall with some of the rarest and most valuable classic cars in the world. Imagine their shock as their eyes adjusted to the dim light. They started to identify the silhouettes. There were vintage Alfa Romeos, classic Porsches, sleek Aston Martins, and even a few ultra-rare racing cars. We're talking about dozens of them, covered in a thick blanket of dust, but otherwise perfectly preserved. It was a collector's dream, a veritable automotive graveyard of priceless machines. So who was the original owner? Why did he lock away this fortune and just leave it there? The story goes that he was a car dealer in the 1970s and 80s. He had a passion for collecting beautiful and rare automobiles. But for reasons lost to time, perhaps tax issues, or political turmoil, he decided to hide his entire collection. He welded the garage door shut, intending to come back for them one day. But he never did. He passed away, and his secret collection remained hidden, waiting. The collection was estimated to be worth millions, maybe even tens of millions of dollars. Each car told a story, a snapshot of automotive history frozen in time. From a Lancia Flaminia to a Formula 2 race car, the variety was staggering. The new owner, who thought he was just buying a plot of land, had stumbled upon one of the greatest barn finds in history. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the greatest treasures are found where we least expect them, hidden away just waiting to be rediscovered. What an absolutely mind-blowing story. What do you think is the coolest car they found in there? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories like this one. See you next time.